This is Will Gambino doing my CIS110 video reflection. So the first question is asking, what are two visual aids that you could use? And my one that I chose is charts and graphs, and the other one is props and models. So the reason I chose those two is because I feel like they can stand alone on a slide without a ton of explanation, and they're easy to understand and they're easy to follow. When it comes to delivery of a speech, for your content, you want to make sure that you're not restating what you're saying on your slides. You want to bring more fresh information, so it's not just a constant cycle of you saying the same things over and over again. When it comes to delivery, the one thing that I chose for my visual aids is that you can use props and models, and if you use a prop or a model, you want to keep it hidden until you're actually using it. Otherwise, it's just a distraction, and until you get to that part in your speech, it's just people are trying to figure out what it means. And the other thing with props and models is that you want to be, you want to write big enough on it and make it clear enough to understand, so that everyone, depending on how far away they are able to understand what it says. When it comes to design, two really main things that you need to focus on are each main point should get its own slide, because if you're going in an order in your speech, you don't want to be flipping back and forth trying to cram all your words into one spot. That's how you get really wordy on your slides. And then the other thing that you want to do is the six lines method, where there should be no more than 6 words in a line and no more than 6 lines on a slide. And the reason for that is it's a good basis to make sure that you're not putting too much on your slides and you're keeping your information compact and short. And how I plan on applying this to my speech is that I'll be sure to limit my words on slides. I'm going to follow the six words per 6 line method, and I'm only going to use images when they are necessary. When people use too many images in a presentation, it tends to lose topic, and you start explaining more and more, and you start looking at your slides more and don't rely as much on your information.